So last one, we'll see an end-to-end radar system. So how a radar is working. This is radar where I'm going to have a radar working at 4 gigahertz, and it is a pulse repetition frequency of 5 kilohertz. Okay, so I'm just defining the radar, and I'm just seeing defining the antenna parameters, and I'm seeing what is the target model. I'm setting it, and I'm setting the target position where the radar will be incident, and I am also seeing at what angle the radar is going to transmit and receive. I'm defining all the theoretical parameters of the radar, and I'm using the radar equation to calculate the power transmitted. And I'm giving the transmitter model. Once I create a transmission model, I'm radiating it using the antenna, and I'm collecting the output. And once I collect the output, from the receiver, I'll be calculating the signal details, and I'm modeling the channel, and I'm implementing the basic radar model. And now I'm executing the code. How many pulses I'm going to transmit and how many pulses I'm going to receive. And from the received pulse, I'm going to calculate certain parameters. You can see at a particular point, you have a peak. That is going to be the range of 7.5 kilometers. I see a peak. So there is an object there. There is an object moving, and the power detected is very, very peak. That is a complete end-to-end processing of a radar. So it can travel up to 30 kilometers, it can go and come back, provided there is no obstacle. Whenever there is an obstacle in between, the pulses are going to be reflected back, and you will get the pulse. And the power is, you see, power is very, very minimum. It is 0.6 microwatt. The radar has to be highly sensitive to detect that such low amount of power. Okay? That is one example I want to show you in radars. I think that is what we have for the day. So we have seen complete antenna analysis today, and we have also seen some examples of how to design and simulate radars, how to create MIMO communication using MATLAB. And so we have completed the high frequency analysis of signal processing using MATLAB or 2. So with this, actually, the complete theory portions relating to electronics and communication engineering in MATLAB is done. So tomorrow is going to be a very general topic. They're going to develop app. So you have many softwares where you can develop app, but how to use MATLAB as a tool to develop apps? How MATLAB is making that creating apps very, very simple. How MATLAB is simplifying that. So we are going to see that tomorrow. And with tomorrow, we are going to end the course. Any doubts you have in today's class, you can